video has been brought to you by Lee Kum Kee. Alright guys, I'm making fried rice with Chinese sausage. Now what I have here, the wok that I just need to preheat it. In the medium bowl, we're going to combine with the sauce. I've been starting with 2 tablespoons of Lee Kum Kee Premier Dark Soy Sauce. I'm also going to put in 3 tablespoons of Lee Kum Kee Panda brand oyster sauce, because I love the brand name of Lee Kum Kee. I like to put a tablespoon of Lee Kum Kee chicken bouillon powder. I'm putting in 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. I'm going to put in 1.5 teaspoons of salt. I'm using kosher salt because it has a pure and natural, this could be a good flavor. And 3/4 teaspoon of ground white pepper. I'm just going to stir this to give it a little whisk. I like to use a spoon. The wok is almost ready to heat it. I'm going to ready to assemble the fried rice. This is for the sauce combo. Alright, I just preheat the wok on medium. I already put in 3 tablespoons of peanut oil. Then make sure it's nice and slightly hot. While we're going to assembling for the fried rice. So I just already boiled 3 to 5 Sunmeijian Chinese style sausage for 5 minutes on high. I drain it and slice. I have only 4 of those that I'm going to be using for. That's the Chinese sausages. Now I'm just going to put that in. The oil is almost getting slightly hot. Alright, here we go. I'm just going to saute until the sausage will be very crisp. Alright, this is happening well crisp with the sausage. I need to drain the sausage from the oil because we're going to do that with the extra spaces. We're going to finish the rest. I removed the sausage from the oil. We don't want to get it greasy over. Now I just minced with the 5 scallions. I'm just going to stand back very careful. I just minced with the 3 large that has been already peeled, then washed, minced carrots. Just want to saute to be translucent. It helps to cover the wok with the lid on it. That allows the carrots to be nice and tenderizing. With the scallions on it, it's going to be, after it's translucent, to saute that. I'm just going to cover it up for just a moment ahead. It's just almost getting turned to translucent for the carrots and the scallion. I turn it on high because it's going to be cooked faster. I'm going to follow by that I'm going to be using for 1 cup of whole kernel corn. These are the whole kernel sweet corn, and 1 cup of sweet green peas. Just want to keep going. I got to move that around using with the wok ladle. You can see that it's going to be still hot. Now you can go ahead and add the sauce combo. I already cooked tenderly 4 cups of long grain white rice, and I'm just going to put it right. Ooh, this bowl's so heavy. Alright, plop the rice right over, and just going to break it. Make sure the rice is well coated to cover with the sauce. I'll cover the rice with the sauce combo. I have 4 large eggs that I just slightly beaten that I added with 4 teaspoons of kosher salt that I just cooked and scrambled. This is going to be for scrambled eggs. just want to keep pouring over. Alright, now you can go ahead and add the sausage back in. You can see the sausage nice and well crispy. And it's ready. We'll be almost done. Alright, the fried rice is already done. Now you want to take it off from the heat like that to turn off. You're going to put it on a large serving platter and we're ready to serve. Here you are guys, here's the finished fried rice with Chinese sausage. Hope you're going to love this. So if you're interested for more recipes, leave me in comments below. And you have to review always before sharing. And what do you think it is? I wish you can smell the fried rice. Hopefully it tastes great. Are you a fan of our videos? Be sure to subscribe to Worldwide Campus News and Entertainment. Then ring the bell to see all notifications about the new videos and the latest video.